Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am coming to you guys with a slushie. Now this is an alcohol slushie. We're using champagne to make this slushie. You can also use regular wine to make this slushie. We're using tangerine and mango. You can use whatever fruit you like, but I am using tangerine and mango. It was the perfect combination, you guys. Be sure you like the video, comment down below, and also give the video a huge thumbs up. Now these are little things you need. You need mangoes. I am just going to peel them, and also you need some tangerines, and also you need your wine. Whatever wine you like, you can use it basically. I am just going to cut the mangoes in small little pieces so it will be easier for me when I'm blending it. Now you can use frozen mangoes or frozen fruit, but like I said, I love fresh stuff, and I had the mangoes sitting there, so why not use fresh, sweet, ripe mangoes. Now after that, I am going to squeeze out my tangerine. That's gonna give it a nice citrus flavor, so we're just going to pour that in there. It's about maybe 2 tablespoons or maybe 3 tablespoons of tangerine juice. Now this is the wine, you guys. Champagne. I am always scared when opening a champagne bottle. If you like that, let me know. I can't talk tonight. Let me know down below, because I am one of the scary person when I'm opening a champagne bottle. Look. And I was shook. Okay, so we're just going to pour that in there. I'm using about half a cup of the champagne, and basically we're going to add the mango. You hear Callie in the background. I'm sorry, you guys. Add the mango in your blender. Next, I am going to add my champagne, and then we're going to add the ice. Of course, to make slushies, you need ice. So I am going to add the ice in there. Don't add too much now, because that might kind of make it not too sweet. But be sure if you're using the same amount of ice and same amount of mango. Like I said, I'm very tired. I cannot talk. Basically I am going to blend that all together, and basically there you have your slushie, your wine or alcoholic type of slushie. It's really refreshing, you guys. I was trying to be cute and pour it in my mason jar, but that didn't go too well. As you guys can see, I made a mess. Clean it up and pour it in a wine glass or champagne glass, which was cuter, and it tastes really good, guys. Be sure to give this a try. Like I said, don't add too much ice, or make sure you add some syrup in there if you're adding way too much ice, because you want the same amount of consistency. You want it to be thick and stuff. It was sitting for a little bit. I was taking pictures, that's why it's kind of watery, but it tastes really good. Give it a try, you won't regret it. Be sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, and also comment down below. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye, love you guys.